With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Particular question, it is asked that when a moving pendulum stops, its energy is destroyed. So do remember that energy, by law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be destroyed, it cannot be created, it can be transformed from one form to another. So this statement is absolutely false because it is not in sync with the conservation of energy, law of conservation of energy. So that's why this is absolutely wrong, this is false. Okay, now what happens to this energy? So basically what happens that when we are trying to stop a pendulum, suppose this is moving and we are trying to stop a pendulum, so what is happening that you are applying force against this moving pendulum, and this force which is being applied, this force is actually this force which is applied to stop it, it is doing some work, and this work is actually used against that energy which it possesses. So this is absolutely wrong, this is false that it gets destroyed, this is not true.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.